Hi makers! Today's tutorial will show you how to make fresh wearable flowers for prom or weddings using grocery store flowers. Today we'll make a floral pocket boutonniere as well as a traditional boutonniere. We're going to start with the floral pocket boutonniere. The first thing I'm going to do is measure my pocket width and the depth inside the pocket. I'm going to add 1 inch to the length because my flowers will sit about 1 inch above the pocket. So I'm cutting a piece of cardboard 4 inches by 7 inches. It was a little wide, so I'm also going to trim it. I am using hot glue to cover most of the cardboard in ribbon. I didn't cover the very top in ribbon because it will not show behind the flowers. I'm cutting off a few stems that I want to use for my mixed flower bouquet and my grower's bunches. With wearable flowers, I like to use foliage and smaller flowers like spray roses, button palms, and small mums to create a lot of texture. I don't recommend using full-size roses or large flowers because they will be heavy and you'll need to use wiring techniques to make sure that they'll last. I'm using Oasis cold glue that you can find at a florist supplier or on Amazon. It will be linked in the description. This is the glue used by florists. It will not damage flowers and holds well. Oasis glue can be messy to work with. It comes out fast, so you want to keep the tube upright. I'm going to make a little holder out of the box by cutting the box in half, cutting out a square, and hot gluing that to the bottom half of the box. I am placing glue on the stems and flowers and letting it dry for about 30 seconds. I arrange and glue my flowers across the top layer, making sure to cover the cardboard completely. I'm going to add a second layer of flowers on the top. When you're happy with your design, add a strip of ribbon across the top to cover your flower stems. I've let my glue set for 15 to 30 minutes and I'm going to do a fit test. Here is my finished floral pocket boutonniere. It is a fun alternative to a traditional boutonniere and inexpensive to make. This can be made 1 to 2 days before your event and kept in the fridge. I always finish my flowers with Hawaiian Floral Mist or Crowning Glory, which helps lock in moisture and keep your flowers fresh. If you do not have one of these, lightly mist with water once a day. Next, we're going to make a traditional boutonniere. Instead of using a pin to attach the boutonniere, I'm going to use this magnet one. They are easier than pinning. The only reason I would use a pin-on boutonniere over a magnet one is if the recipient has medical implants like a pacemaker. I couldn't find the exact ones I used in this video online, so I linked a similar one. It has a longer magnet, but it works just the same. I am also using floral tape, which you can purchase at any craft store or Amazon, a ribbon of your choice to finish the boutonniere, and our flowers. I'm using the same flowers as the pocket boutonniere, and I only need a few stems of greenery and flowers. You can use full-size roses, but they need to be wired, so I'm sticking with smaller flowers for this boutonniere. If you haven't worked with this type of floral tape before, it does not have a sticky adhesive, but when you stretch it, it becomes tacky and will stick to itself. I am arranging my flowers, keeping in mind how it will lay on clothing. When I'm happy with my arrangement, I'm using floral tape to secure the flowers together. Next, I'm going to add my magnet, securing the plastic stem to my arrangement. If you're doing a pin-on boutonniere, you would skip this step and purchase some boutonniere pins. Lastly, I'm going to use ribbon and hot glue it to cover my floral tape. You can also use ribbon to tie on or glue on a bow. Here is my finished boutonniere. Thanks for watching.